Hello everyone, let me show you how to bake this bread today. It's brioche buns. So first start with warm water and then add margarine and then let it just melt, and then you add yeast, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and then you also add sugar, that is 4 tablespoons of sugar, and then you add a pinch of salt. Now you can start also adding an egg, just 1 egg is enough. Then you start stirring and make sure that all the ingredients incorporate very well, and then you can start adding wheat flour, 2 cups are used, and then after that you put olive oil and then you cover it for 1 hour, and then until it doubles in size, and then you're just going to cover with a kitchen cloth. After 1 hour it has been able to size, so we're punching out the air, and then now we are able to start kneading the dough just for around 5 minutes. The more you knead, the more it becomes soft. So knead the dough, and then now you can start making into shapes. So I cut into 8 equal parts. I got 8 equal parts. You cut them all into 8 equal parts, and then from there we can start rolling into different round shapes. So from here we just rolling into round shapes and then putting on a baking tin which is already dusted with margarine, so to avoid sticking at the pan. So the last one, you are going to make a small piece which we shall put it on top. So we're just going to cut into very small pieces, 7 of them, because there are 7 pieces of brioche. And then you're just going to make a hole in the middle, just at the top of it, a hole in the middle, so that when we make those round pieces we are going to put on top. So we just make it round, and then you place it on top of that space that you had made earlier on. So roll equally, and then make sure that you put all the small pieces on top, and then from there we can now just cover it and leave it for 30 minutes, and then we'll come back to it. After that you put egg wash on top. It will help in during baking to add more flavor and also give more color to the breads when they are baking, and also it will just bring out the best color from the eggs from the breads when you bake them. After that I also have sesame seeds. I just sprinkle a little on top. It will bring more taste to the breads, so sprinkle on top, and then from there we shall be ready to bake. So I'm taking it to the baking to the oven, and finally after 30 minutes they are ready. After from the oven you're supposed to put margarine to avoid the crust being hard. So put margarine and then let it cool for around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes I'm just removing the breads, and then now we can start looking how they turned out. So I'm just going to take 1 piece and then I cut it just to see how it is. As you can see, it looks very nice, even the color tells it all. And then you just pinch a small piece, and then I just tasted a small piece, and the other, you see, when you press it you can feel it's very nice. So try it and